The forecast for us, though, which might not be everyone's favorite this morning, but we're getting a cool off and some places got some much needed rain. Not a lot, but some.
Yeah, and the positive news is no matter what weather you like today, unless you like hot weather, we're going to see a mixture of really everything today. We're going to have sun breaks, showers, storms, clouds, and even snow in the mountains. We just don't have hot weather. And again, and again, and again, and again, and again, and again. 50 degrees, 49 in Everett. This is what you need to know as you're stepping out. It's chilly out there. 47 in Shelton. Good morning, Hoquiam. 54. No matter where you're located, it is cool out there, cooler than where we should be. And that's going to be the case this afternoon as well. We're going to take a look at those highs in a minute, but you're going to see that it's going to be unusually cool. And we're also tracking some rain showers out there. Take a look at that. Some rain out along the coast, and then the favorite area seeing rain right now where we have it a little more scattered in nature is just to the north of Seattle from parts of Snohomish as well as Skagit, Whatcom counties. You can see we have a few showers moving into the Cascade foothills and a little convergent zone that is flared up near Everett, Marysville, so there in Snohomish County. And that's going to be the case throughout the day today as we have this really cold area of low pressure off to our northwest. This will eventually work its way toward the state, and folks, I'm telling you, it's going to be cool out there this afternoon. So the coldest high temperature that we've ever seen for June 18th in Seattle is 58 degrees back in 2011. Today, we're only going to hit 57 degrees, so record cold high temperatures. Say that 5 times fast, right? 57 in Oak Harbor, 59 in Arlington. So the temperatures you're seeing this morning, we're only going to add on a few degrees by this afternoon, and central parts of the state cooling down into the 60s after spending yesterday in the 80s. Isolated storms are possible this afternoon. This green shaded area is where there is that thunderstorm risk this afternoon. So the entire King 5 viewing area has that potential this afternoon to see some showers and storms that produce some small hail as well as cloud to ground lightning, maybe some of those ice pellets. So just keep that in mind if you do have any outdoor plans this afternoon. It's not going to be a washout throughout the day. We're going to see isolated showers, isolated storms, sun breaks, clouds, a little mixture of everything. The only area that's really going to see the favored chance to see prolonged rain throughout the afternoon into the evening hours will be from the northern tip of the Hood Canal, the Kitsap, central parts of Puget Sound in that convergent zone area. So we're talking about parts of Kitsap County, southern Snohomish County, King County, eventually moving into northern parts of Pierce County later on this evening and tonight. And then by tomorrow morning, we're going to be mainly dry for most areas, but additional rain develops by tomorrow afternoon. Rain amounts are going to be pretty solid today, tomorrow into Tuesday. Kitsap east towards central parts of Puget Sound into the Cascade foothills, possibly a quarter to half an inch. If you get under that convergent zone, maybe you pick up 3/4 of an inch. A little bit farther west, though, we're only going to see upwards of 1/10 of an inch for the Olympic Peninsula and coastal Washington. But at this point, we'll take everything we can get. Everybody should at least get a little bit of rainfall. We do slowly start to see those temperatures climb by Wednesday up to 68 degrees, first day of summer, back into the 70s by Thursday.